This is a special moment for every race enthusiast. I get to unbox a brand new bike made by BMW. There's only 750 units around the world and it costs 80,000 euros. Yes, you guessed it, it's the new HP4 Race and it's just behind me. We have to be very careful when we unwrap it. Let's go to work. You have to know that every unit is handmade and it comes with an awful lot of special parts on it. The best thing about it, it has a carbon frame. Oh my god, we're getting closer. So enthusiastic. Ah, it's like giving candy to a baby. Wow. I need a few moments. I'm shaking a bit. Everything has protection on it, so you won't scratch it. It's flawless. Oh my god, look at this frame, dude. Whoa. This is something new. We have another package above the bike. I have to take it from here so it won't fall on the bike. Now let's remove the woods. So this is the moment of truth. We get to put our hands on the brand new HP4 Race. I think this bike is every racer's dream. It's a whole lot of carbon fiber over here. My god, these wheels are superbly finished. Oh, and you have the Suter swing arm. That's only for the Superbike. Already comes with engine protections. The Akrapovic exhaust. Protection for the front brake. This is the Brembo brakes. Brembo calipers. Whoa. It already has slicks on it. The 2D dash. I wonder how it starts. I don't know yet. We have to read the manual. I think that button over there is for the startup. Or no. You have the racing buttons over here. It has a plate over here. It says 236 from 750 units. Oh my god, I don't know from where to start. You have the big windshield for wind protection from MRA. It has the best things that you can put on your race bikes. The paint job looks so good, it's like I want to lick it. It's very, very, very well finished. I am the first one to touch it, so this is a great pleasure for me. Okay, so this is the package that you get for this bike. It comes with extra sprockets, some manuals, a book and some extras. We have to check it. So you have the cable, it's a USB drive for the computer. I think this is for the front fork. To put it underneath, it's carbon made. Very lightweight. Oh, this is the geometry box. And you get small parts so you can adjust the bike. Oh my god, there's a list over here with bushings for the frame, to adjust the frame, the distance between the swing arm and the frame, and also for the front fork to adjust it, its length. The length of the bike, you can adjust it with the help of this geometry kit. It's insane. If you want to build this bike by yourself, you will still get close to this amount of money. For the 80,000 euros, you get the FGR forks from Allins that are around 10,000 euros. You've got a braking system that includes moving brake discs and Brembo calipers which are the best. I think I saw them in Superbike. So there's another 10,000 euros over there. You get a Suter swing arm, which is the Superbike swing arm that BMW uses right now, and it's around 10,000 euros as a spare part. Also the carbon frame and the rear frame. You get the gas tank, which is made of out of aluminum. The all-in rear shock, which is the TTX 36, which is the best at the moment. If you didn't know till now, you have to realize that this engine is specially tuned by BMW, and from what I know, a unit like this costs around 10,000 euros. I don't know what else. This bike is full with gadgets, and also the 2D electronic system that helps you adjust the bike and see what's happening with it on track, which is insane. So I think it's the right amount for this kind of package. So in order to start it, we have to connect the battery. One of the battery plugs is not connected, the positive one. Hold this for me, please. So this is the lithium battery, the lightweight battery. And I need a screw, which is in the kit. And now for the moment truth. Whoa! And the rocket is ready to go. Everybody has emotions right now, yes? That's enough. Sounds very great. It's not that noisy, but I'm afraid to start it some more. Maybe we will have the chance to test it on track, or at least see it on track. Until then, this is the HP4 Race. I'm the lucky guy that got to unwrap it and start it today. So wish me luck. Maybe I will get to test it on track.